In this video, I'm going to share a simple trick how you can gain clarity, leave frustration and overwhelm behind, and achieve more by doing less. Lately, I've seen a ton of questions on social media how to start a business, where to start, what niche to choose, what to offer, what service, what product, what platform to start on, how to get clients. And even when all of this is settled, I've seen questions on what are the next steps, where to go to. And the answers that I've read below really astonished me because they added more to the frustration and more to the overwhelm than to the clarity that people were looking after. In my experience as an entrepreneur, leadership and success coach, I can say that every successful person has its own way how to proceed and what way to follow. Because every single one of them has chosen a strategy based on what they wanted. They didn't go out and been looking what strategy is the best. They've went out, they looked at others, what others did, they got motivated, inspired, and made it their own. They took just parts from different strategy and created their own strategy. Now, this is the way to go because every single person is creating their own way towards the desired outcome, the success, what they want to achieve. Every single person creates their own path while taking action and while going. So this is crucial to understand because we get very quickly down that spiral of the shiny object syndrome where we see that this strategy works amazing. Go on TikTok, go on Instagram, go on YouTube, go on Facebook, go on LinkedIn. Every single strategy does work 100%. The question is, which one resonates with you most and where are your clients? What clients do you choose? Because everything what I've mentioned here, you decide who your audience is, what you are offering. Is it a product, a service, affiliate link, whatever that is, you decide. And you also decide where you are going to offer it, what platform. So the strategy you choose, it's yours and you make it yours. This is the way how successful entrepreneurs do their business and how they choose their strategies. Why is this so important to decide upon your own strategy? For example, let's say you see with others that they wake up at 4 a.m. every morning. They do gratitude, they meditate, they read 100 books every year, they go for a run in the morning, they jog or they do weightlifting. First thing in the morning they wake up, they eat 20 eggs for breakfast, and that's their routine. And you take it on and nothing happens. You feel not that well. You don't feel so energetic, that vibe, that motivation, inspiration to go out and do your thing. You don't do that because it's not yours. Yes, you can take on different routines and approaches, but you have to make sure that they feel good, that they inspire, motivate, and energize you, not drain you. That's very important. And even with the strategies, you have to start doing something that makes you feel, yes, this is it. This is what I want to do. This makes me feel amazing. Perhaps it is something that pushes you out of your comfort zone. That means that you are scared and really excited as well, and scared at the same time. That's a good feeling to have. When you start doing what you want, this is a great sign that you're growing as a person and in that specific skill set. This is where we have to choose the right thing for us. Think about what is important to you only and only to you. Think about what do you want? What is it? Is it earning money? Is it helping others? Is it creating art? Is it shooting videos? Is it playing games like football, basketball, whatever, or being really in sports or playing poker? You have to choose what is that you want to do and what is only yours. This is very important. And this is the only question that you have to ask yourself. And the more you ask questions, what you want, and get to know yourself, this is really key. Every successful person is studying themselves. You can check Richard Branson, Jim Carrey, Will Smith, Bill Gates, whoever. I can go on and on, but every single person that I mentioned and even more are studying themselves. They want to know and understand what ignites them, what triggers them, what is important to them and for them. So this is the job that you take on for yourself so that you get to know you better, and this is where the magic is starting to happen, because this is the most important thing that you can do, and this will make you feel amazing when you start doing what you really want and love to do. Now you know what is important, and it's not taking on whatever others do, but it is the process how to get to understand and to know what it is that makes you feel amazing. If you feel amazing, if you feel calm, if you are excited by doing what you do, regardless of appearances, circumstances, and even the results you're getting, the results will come if you enjoy doing what you do. Because it's not about how much you do, but how you are doing it. Because only you know what feels amazing for you, and only you know what resonates with you. So, how can you start achieving more by doing less? If you find this valuable so far, consider liking this video, comment below, share any comments and questions you might have. Thanks, I really appreciate. Yes, look at what others do, but don't take it on just blindly. Really feel if this is your fit, this is something you want to go, and just pay close attention, because it's not about what you do, it's about how you are doing it. Because every single time you go for a strategy, there will be something else, a other shiny object, a better strategy, the next step, the new platform, the new way to go. Every successful person has their own success strategy, and they are the best in that strategy because they decided so. Because any strategy does work, and it's not about the strategy but the person doing the strategy. The strategy is just as good as the person doing it. What does that mean? It means that it is not important what you do. That means what kind of action steps, what strategy you choose, but how you do it. What is your attitude performing that strategy? And the attitude is how you feel doing it. For example, let's take a different example and approach here. If you go into a grocery store and you talk to the salesperson there, and you walk in very angry and upset and with a really strong voice, but you choose very polite and nice words like, I really enjoy what you're doing, I'm really thankful, thank you for your service, like this, really with that anger emotion, but you are very polite in the words you choose. What do you think, how is going that employee to react to that? Not that well, I suppose, right? And this is exactly what I mean. I'm a little bit exaggerating, but I want to make a point here. It's not what you do, it's how you are doing. It is the feeling, how you're feeling when you are doing the thing you want to do. It might be you go into the grocery store to buy something. It might be you write a blog and post it. It might be you record a video or anything else, or even in sales. This is even harder, or you have even more influence there because the person on the other side that you talk to catches these emotions and feelings up immediately. And oftentimes this is when the alignment in that conversation breaks. So this is really a huge tip that I'm leaving here for you. That's it. Feeling is the secret when we are talking about strategy. It's not the strategy itself, because any strategy works. It's about how you are performing it. I usually take the time and revise my strategies and also my goals every 3 months or so. I go back and see what is the level of my feelings, how do I feel about doing it, and I try to recognize any ways or strategies or routines even that are not supporting me anymore. Or even if I have a routine like writing my goal or gratitude or my success script, if something is off and doesn't feel right anymore, or it doesn't give me that excitement, that exciting feeling, I change it so that when I do it, I take the energy and I take that amazing feeling, that great and wonderful feeling that it gives me into my day. And only then I change it up. But the process is the same all the time. So basically what you focus on is to understanding and getting to know yourself. The more you ask yourself what you feel when you do things, how you are feeling, and what you do with purpose. Is there any purpose behind it? Is there something that you gain from it? Not material things, not monetary things, but emotional, like feeling. Does it make you feel amazing after you've done it? Or does it stress you out doing it over and over and over again? If this is the case, you have to change something. So this is really the process that makes things so much easier to do. You can do less and achieve more by doing less. You don't need to hustle and really put hours and hours of doing stuff, because it's not about how much you do, but it's about how you are doing it. So have purpose in everything you do, regardless of what it is. Your routine in the morning, your strategy, doing videos, writing, brushing your teeth, taking a shower, whatever that is, I'm putting more things into that because it is important. And you will find your purpose only if you get to know yourself. You have to ask yourself questions. So if you find this information valuable and insightful, please consider leaving a like. Hit that like button below. I would really appreciate. And if you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment in the comment section below. And you can see in the description, I'm linking a couple of additional information on getting to know yourself better. You can check them out as well. Have fun. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.